With us. It's time to talk markets. Mr. Rotimi Fakayejo is an economic and stock market analyst. Good afternoon, Mr. Fakayejo, and thank you for joining the program.
Good afternoon.
It's August 30th, and this is the last work day for this month of August. By Monday, we're already in September, and trading will be in the new month. What is your overview of trading activities? Let's do like a brief of what has happened in recent times, considering economic policies, challenges that we've faced. What's your overview of the performance of the market?
I think so far so good. Though the market got to a peak of about 33% year to date at the time, but now it's about 29. But even that, as it is, it still remains one of the best performing markets all over the world. So now, for this week, I will say remarkable activities in the stocks that are listed under the petroleum marketing sector. We've seen good activities in the likes of Oando, Eternal Oil, and Total's Fina. I think they've really added more value to the market, and we've seen more activities in terms of volume and value traded. Today, more than 31 billion naira value was traded, and that is quite remarkable for a single day transaction. And for this week, we started the week lower than 96,000 basis points, but today we are ending the Ocean Index at 96,500 plus basis points. So the implication of that is that this week the market was very positive in every sphere that we want to look at it. And so far so good for the month of August to the beginning of the year. The market has done fantastically well. And I believe people are beginning to see maybe the fruitfulness of the various economic policies, though they have been very, very harsh, but we're going to see more results even before the end of the year. So the market is still a place to invest, and it's still a place that holds a high return for investors that are deserving.
It's looking good, and it's closing the week in green. I'm looking at some stocks here now. Deep Cap, Julius Berger. We have Oando, and Oando has been on the list almost throughout the week. What is happening in the oil and gas space, and what's your overview of the performance of some particular shares at the exchange?
Well, I think for Oando, the news of the acquisition of Nigerian Deep Oil Company now significantly impacted on the trading activities in that stock. People are beginning to see more value. It's just about the same thing that happened when Oando acquired ConocoPhillips. And that year the stock went up, but I want to believe that this won't be as it was the other time when the value rose and we saw a dwindling position in the valuation of the stock thereafter. I think they've learned their lessons, and what we are seeing right now is something that will be, that has come to stay to a great extent.
So any other stock catching your attention at this time?
Well, I think like I did mention, Total Nigeria,
yeah,
actually added a lot of value to the market this week. Presently, after Tesla is the most highly valued stock in the market now. And I believe that we will continue to see much of this trend for it. Internal Oil too has been very, very positive, except for today that we are seeing the price drifting. So far so good. The banker sector stocks too have been remarkably stable. And I think the market is really, really a good step for stocks to take a close look at and to have a hope of good return by the time the financial year ends.
It's a good way to live it. I must thank you so much for your time, Mr. Fakayejo. Have a great weekend.
And you too. My pleasure.
Global stocks rose today and were set for a fourth straight month of gains despite heavy sellings in early August, as bets in U.S. rate cuts also put the